So Glide is a no-code app builder, and it's not just a no-code app builder. It's a app builder which converts your prompt into an app, right? Which is amazing. You get an app, you get a bare bones app that runs on your browser, on your mobile phone, whether it be Android or iOS, with just a single prompt. How amazing is that? So let's look at how we can build a simple app and how we can customize it, and look at all the options that we have in this small video. So I'm on Glide and I signed in using Google, and here I'm gonna fill some basic options before they let me build the app. And can you believe it, this is not even paid. I'm on the free plan, and the free plan has a bunch of options. So let me just go ahead and give it a prompt: fantasy football app that gives us analytics on football matches, right? So agree, let's Glide, and it's giving us a small preview. And now it's taking me to this page to enter my prompt again. Okay, so let's do it again. Fantasy football app that gives analytics on football matches. Generate app. And here you have fantasy football stats, fantasy footy stats. Wow, okay. And here, just from a prompt, this is what I get. Like, this is unbelievable. Like, can you imagine this? I know this looks very basic, but to build this using JavaScript, using HTML, it would have taken me at least a couple of hours at least, right? To get the design right, to get the margins and paddings right. There are a lot of, you know, um uh I don't know what to call it. You get this just from a prompt, and you can modify it however you want after that. So here in this, so this is the project on my dashboard, and when I launch it, I can see that the app has all these basic options, all dummy data, if I could call it that way, dummy data to visualize us what actually is that we need. So here I can see that a lot of matches are there. Even though I don't have all the options, I just gave it a single prompt, and I can add as many options, as many data as I want. And on the free plan, I get 500 MB of data storage for free, and I can upgrade after that I want. They also have, I think, a pay as you go scheme as well. So you only pay for what you use. So here there's an add data option. So let me just add 23-05-2024 team name. I'm gonna call it Barcelona, and I'm gonna give it a random value. And as you can see, the team is added to the bottom of the list dynamically. There's no refreshes, there's no stuttering, it's all very smooth. So all this is taken care of, adding to list, everything. So you can see adding to list and everything is on the right hand side. And now I'm gonna make my app public, right? I want this link to be accessed from anywhere. I don't require any logins. I can do that if I want. So if I just go to a browser and hit the URL, I can see that this app loads. Why I don't see data is that there are some view permissions that I need to do before I can let guest users see my data. So let me just go ahead and add some data. Let's see if it works in the web. So Barcelona 11600, I can see the list is added, right? I know this is very bare bones, but you got this just from a single prompt. I mean, how amazing can that be? So let me add the second one, Real Madrid 11,000, thousand as in 1 billion, 1,000 million, right? Because Real Madrid is very valuable at the moment. And I just added my previous video thumbnail, and yeah, I got whatever. And so here you can see all the different integrations that they have to offer. They have Microsoft Outlook, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Maps. I mean, everything, right? So this is, I mean, if you don't know how to code and you just want something really fast, Glide is a super alternative. Unlike Bubble, where you can give a prompt, here you can just start with a simple prompt and then build your way up and modify it. That's it for this video. Yeah, and thank you for watching this. See you in the next one. Peace.